What will be the iPhone SE2 2020? Apple's new iPhone SE2 mobile flagship will take 12th place in the lineup. At the same time, users of social networks so far call it simply iPhone 2020. It is difficult to predict how the new marketing department will call Apple's marketing department. The fact is that the company has already played with the serial numbers of its products. For example, before the iPhone 11 was introduced, iPhone X, which reads like the iPhone 10, but its serial number is written in Roman numbers, not Arabic. There is a likelihood that this iPhone SE2 phone from Yabloko, similarly with the iPhone X, will be rethought. And yet, one of the most important issues is the design of the new iPhone SE2. The network is full of iPhone 2020 renders, but each new one contradicts the previous one. According to Ming-Chi Kuo, iPhone SE2 2020 will be the successor to the iPhone 4, the iconic product of Apple. The appearance of the 4th series was created not by anyone, but Jonathan Ive is Apple's chief design officer. Today, Jonathan Ive has his own design company, whose first client was Apple. He began as an ordinary employee under Jobs.